Hi, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. In today's video, I will be showing you how to complete our mystery pixel art activity. Let's get started. The first thing that I want to say is you want your kiddo to have the best experience. So in order to do that, you will have to, for this activity, adjust your screen so that they can see all of the questions. If the student is able to see all of the questions, that means they can see all of the picture in their screen. In order for me to do that for this specific activity, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to hide my menu, and then I'm going to zoom to 70%. If you notice right now, it says 100%. I'll see if 75 will do it. And I'm going to scroll down. No, it doesn't, because my questions go to 22 and I don't see 22. I only see 20. So I'm going to change that to 70. Now that I've changed it to 70, I can see all of the questions. And like I said before, if the student is able to see all of the questions on the chart, that means they will be able to see on the screen the full picture, as opposed to having to scroll up and down or scroll across to see it. Now, one thing that I will say is not all of the activities that we will be sharing will be 22 questions. There will be some where there will not have to be an alteration in the screen, but because it's the 6 and 7 multiplication facts for this activity, we want the student to go over as many numbers as they can in order to review and answer the 6 and 7 multiplication facts. So let's get started answering to see what our mystery pixel is. And if you notice, as I'm putting in correct answers, there are colors that are popping up. One thing that I really do like about this activity is it's self-checking. And I'll give you an example. So for instance, for 7 times 6, let's say the student put in 35. If you notice, there's no color change. There are no colors that appeared. But if I go back and I put in the correct answer of 7 times 6 is equal to 42, you'll notice that colors did appear. So I'm going to go ahead and answer all of the questions. And this activity will be available. We will be sharing it so that students can practice their 6 and 7 multiplication facts. It will be shared on our Facebook page and also our Instagram, which is at Hype, HYPE Math. So at Hype Math. I'm almost done. And it's really exciting because as I'm putting in the correct answers, it gives the students also a sense of accomplishment, because as they are going along completing the answers, they can kind of identify what it is, and then they'll of course want to hurry up and finish it so that they can see the full picture. And there you have it. The mystery picture art is a cupcake. And that is it for how to complete our mystery pixel art activities. All of our activities can be completed in this way. Well, there will be a question on the side, and the students, another column where the students put in the answer. And as the student enters the answer in, different parts of the picture will appear so that they can solve the mystery. This is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. Thank you for joining.